and welcome to the Scott County Public Library Make It program. My name is Paula, and today I'm going to show you how to make a colorful, one-of-a-kind coaster and a colorful, one-of-a-kind mini planter. The list of supplies you're going to need are white ceramic tile. You can get these just about anywhere, and they're pretty inexpensive. You're going to need some permanent markers. Make sure you get permanent because the washable kind will not work. You're going to need rubbing alcohol. Now this is 91%, which I just happen to already have. I know this day and age it's going to be hard to get the 91%, but the 70% will work, just not quite as effectively. You're going to need an acrylic clear coat. Once you get your marker and your alcohol and your towel, you're going to put a little bit of clear coat on it to keep it permanent. You're going to need felt. This is going to be going on the bottom of your coaster. And to adhere that to your coaster, you're going to need some sort of tacky glue, Elmer's glue, whatever you happen to have. Now to make the planter, you're going to need at least 4 tiles. You're going to need a 2-liter soda bottle. Of course, you're going to need a plant. And you're going to need some sort of clear adhesive to glue your tiles together. Now, did you have the list of materials you need? Let's get started. First, you're going to take your ceramic tile and you're going to choose some permanent markers and you're going to start coloring. Now make sure your colors will blend well together because once you put the alcohol on, they will start mixing. You can take swirls or lines or however you want to do this. You must make sure that you have the whole tile filled in. Okay, once you have your tile pretty well covered with the colors that you want, you're going to have an option of 2 methods. You can either, 1, use the dropper, which will just drop it 2 or 3 places and then let it run. Or you can use the spray bottle, which is the method that I'm going to use today. And you don't want to spray it more than just a couple times. Now I've seen a couple different techniques. Some people like to use a straw and blow the alcohol around. I like to just tilt it, and if I need to blow it, I will just blow it using my mouth. Okay, so once you have your tile the way you want your marker colors to look, you're going to let it sit for a little bit, and then you are going to want to put at least 1 coat of clear coat on it. And I will tell you that if you touch your tile before you put the clear coat on, the marker color will come off on your fingers and it's going to leave white on your tile. I learned that the hard way. So make sure you don't touch the top of your tile. Try to hold it by the sides until you get the clear coat on. Okay. So once you get your design the way you want it, you're ready for the clear coat. Now suppose that you don't like the way the finished product looked. That's easily remedied. You can take alcohol on a rag or paper towel and wipe it clean. And sometimes it's hard to replicate. This is my favorite. I've been trying to get another one like it, and I have not succeeded yet, so I will keep trying. Once you have it the way you want it, you can marker on the sides, and you don't have to put clear coat on that, but you can. Then you're going to cut a piece of felt out the same size as your tile, and you're going to put your glue on it, your tacky glue, and you're going to adhere that to the bottom. And that's going to protect whatever furniture you put your coaster on. And there's your finished product. Now suppose you want to make the mini planter. You're going to make 4 different tiles and you're going to put the clear coat on them. Once the clear coat is dry, you're going to be able to glue them together. Okay, so once your 4 tiles have dried with the clear coat, you're going to take them and you're going to glue them to each other with your epoxy. I've already got 2 glued together, so you're going to put 1 strip of epoxy on the flat side of your tile, and then you're going to want to put some on the side that you're going to adhere to that. Now I will tell you, and I learned this the hard way, if you try to get the extra epoxy off after this dries, it will take your color off. So you're going to have to be really careful. Now this adhesive that I used, it dries pretty quick. So I just held these for 5 minutes or so, and then I was able to put it upright. And you're going to do that till you have all 4 tiles glued together. Okay, so once you have all 4 of your tiles glued together, you're going to let it totally dry, and while that's happening, you can take your 2-liter bottle and you're going to cut out a little planter that was going to go inside your box. Your box will not have a bottom. Now, if you want to have a plant that needs watering and draining, you will need to put a hole in this. Because I'm using succulents, that's not necessary.
Okay.
So when you get done with this, then you can make it whatever size you want. It will fit exactly down in here. So I will show you the one that I have already done. Like I said, I did not put a drain hole in it. It fits like that, and that is your colorful, one-of-a-kind mini planter. I hope you enjoyed this Make It program. Check out Scott County Public Library's Facebook page and web page to see about upcoming events. And I hope to see you at my next Make It program.